Hi guys, welcome back. So first of all, I would like to thank you for all new subscribers and you know ఆ వీడియో నేను అంత ఇంట్రెస్ట్గా పెట్టి చేయలేదు లైక్ జస్ట్ ఫర్ మై రికార్డింగ్ పర్పస్ అండ్ నా కోసం చేసుకున్న వీడియో బట్ ఐ గెస్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకున్నారంటే యూ థాట్ ఇట్స్ గుడ్. సో ఇప్పటి నుంచి ఏం చేస్తా అంటే లైక్ I will try to be more expressive in my words about my trade that I'm gonna take. And again, there is also a one comment. One brother said, first of all, I would like to thank you for giving that feedback to me, and hope if you are watching this video again, uh, you may feel that I know some English. So he commented that I don't know English, how to speak. So at that in that video I didn't scripted that, or I didn't take retakes, and it's just me thinking out loud. I know it's not proper, but I'm just thinking out loud what's in my brain for that particular trade. So I know I agree, and that I'm not too expressive with that words in that video, but from in this video, let I'm gonna try be more aggressive, more uh, descriptive about my trade. So, and again, this is also a not scripted one. I'm just going out random uh, back testing. So this is done as you all know. So you know if you are if you have watched my previous backtesting video, you know what our strategy is. But if you are watching it new, I'm just gonna brief it about my strategy I'm gonna use for this backtesting, which is a 9 and 21 EMA crossover with a few alterations, I can say. So the alterations are like based on candlesticks or the price action. Uh, so let me go back some of back and I guess I hit that part right. So it's somewhere again in the 19th June. It's okay because it's been a while. I don't remember anything now. So let me hope like the video. I mean the candles in that previous video were too small. So I'm just gonna. Uh, it's almost 14:30. I'm gonna move to the next day. Right. This is 20th June 9:15 candle. Right. It might be our first trade here itself. So there is a crossover happened with a good candle. So our trade would be here, but we're a bit late. Every candle is a late. If we miss, if we are not entering at our exact spot, if we are making an entry after one or two candle, or even if half of the candle, it's gonna be a loss candle. Like it might be go up from here itself. So I'm not gonna enter here, but as per our strategy, we could make a trade here. But it's okay. These days will come. Like see, it's like maybe we will wait for a pullback here, right? And maybe mhm. I can say that it's like a small profit booking from here, and that the trend is also like downwards. And what we can do here is we can just enter this trade here with a stop loss of high of this candle, and let me long position, short position. I'm gonna short here, so our exact entry will be some here, and our stop loss is around. It's around just 20. Let's keep it as 25 points, and our target will be at least 1:2, right? And I'm gonna sell. So last time I forgot to show you that report as well. So in this video, in the end, I'm gonna share that one as well. So let's wait. Selection print out target, right? Yeah, gone. Stop loss was gone. You know, so you can see that it should have waited till it comes almost like near 9 EMA, but it's okay. Um, yeah, it's okay. Like, let's see. But again, our trade enters here a crossover with good candle, and we can enter a buy trade here, and our long position will be from here. It's not like gambling, because when it's going down, it's completely down as per our strategy. There is a crossover happened here, and we were a bit late, so we didn't take the trade, and we tried taking it at the pullback, but our entry was wrong. It shows that we should have waited for a bit longer, until the price comes almost exactly near 9 EMA, and see if this could be our target here, but it's okay. It didn't. But now let's see our just below this zone from where it fell, and our target will be as usual, like 1:2, right? And yeah, just clicked on buy, and yeah, let's wait. So yes, got it. Our target was hit, uh, right? But still we are in loss, because the trades we're gonna take. If you see it here, uh, this is like 25 point, but here it is just 16 points, so just half of it. So it's kind of okay with this. If it went in our direction, we could have made 51 points. It is just at 32 points. So in this case, we should have taken one more quantity, but it's okay. No, it, market is not going anywhere. We have a lot of days left, so let's uh, let it move. Uh, we could take another trade in this pullback. So what we can see here. So it started going in the upper direction. Mm, there is a small, there is a huge rejection from 9 EMA here, and closed it on top. So this is not on our 9 EMA or 21 EMA crossover strategy. It's just pure on price action. So I feel like it could be a trade here. Let me see how much it gives us. So it's just a 10 points, and our target is like 20. I'm gonna buy just 20, so that our stop loss will be like around 25 to 30 points. So I'm just gonna go with 3 units. So let's play. Mm, got it. So okay. So it's an aggressive red candle here. What does it say? Still there is no crossover happened here, and I'm not gonna take the trade here. uh, See, just it hit our stop loss and started going up. It happens, yeah, it happens a lot of times in our initial days. uh, exactly, it hit our target, but it's okay. It is a new day. No, it's a 3 p.m. candle. So it's okay. Let's move forward. Right, it's a new day again. So what does it say? Yeah. So let's analyze this part. It's gonna be a little bit interesting because uh, this from this point it fell for continuously 2 days or one day maybe. So and after a big rally of yesterday's, like this previous days, the 30 minutes and last 30 minutes, it opened with a big bar and it's kind of green bullish engulfing here. Our plan will be, if if the price closes above this zone, we are gonna enter a trade. If not, if any strong red candle here, we will go short. So let's go. Right, it's showing here, but still it's above 9 EMA. uh, if this candle would form it here just after crossing this, we could have taken the trade, but not yet. Right. So it's not safe to take the trade here. Right. Right. Now we can clearly enter the trade because as per our not as per our strategy, but as per our planning here, it came in. You know, let's say as a trap market. Most of the retail traders or beginning traders like me would have taken the trade here after seeing this red candle at this resistance zone. Would have entered the trade here. Price and stop loss would be just here. So the price came in here and uh, took their stop losses and started going again in that direction. This is my analysis. It could be wrong or could be right, but let's see how it goes. So let's go short. I'm gonna short it here, and our stop loss will be just here, and our profit will be this time like just about to 1:2. Uh, we just trade aggressively after 1:2. We are selling how much it is, 40 points. So we are just gonna go with one. Because of these losses, we would have chosen to increase the quantity, which is a first mistake that we do, which tempts us uh, to to take back-to-back trades, uh, which leads to over trading. So that that's the thing we should control here. Always stick with our quantity. In here, it's just 10 point stop loss. So I took three quantity there, but I'm just gonna short it one here. Mm, let's see. So it's almost came near. How much it almost gave us of points, but it's okay. But we always stick to our. It's whether it's 1:2. Whether we get 2.2 or we lose one. That's it. There is no between. In my past experience, I used to just cut. Not even I waited till here. I just used to cut like when it comes here. It gives a good amount for a beginner to look at the screen, but it's not a proper thing. After coming here, we could have trailed our stop loss to here. So now the risk is just 13 points. So let's see. Yeah, gone. Our stop loss was gone. Right. So I'm just gonna exit the position. But after seeing this, this candle, let me this candle, it's kind of a good rejection here. But still, we will re-enter the trade, but we will not hold the trade. Right. Same came back to that position, to the same price point. So let's wait for a couple of, right. This might be our. Um, uh, I don't think so because it's kind of double top, right? But it's got a long wake here. But still, we could take a trade here. Just the stop loss of that particular candle's high till here. So the it's just 12 point stop loss. What we're gonna enter with four lots here, right? Four, okay, right. Still a bit, but we will we will not go. See these this kind of days, what we always lose the hope because it was too close to our target, but it didn't give us our target. It went a long back to hit the stop loss. You know, it's okay. It's no, it's okay. We we can't do much about that. But what we can do is like just stick to our plan. So it's again a new day. Let's analyze it again. So right, and again, if we are going long, our plan is clearly if that crosses above this region, then only we're gonna take the long trades. Right, right. If we can enter a trade here, it's a new day, a new buyers, I guess. God, I didn't exited this, but still okay. Uh, Let me buy. Because the stop loss is just here. No, it's okay. We can go short here, I guess. Let's wait a couple of more seconds. God, it's it's kind of we are just back testing, but if it's let's see how I have just thought or how I would thought if it's a real trade. So I hold it till here. It, I thought it's just a profit booking, small profit booking or a small pullback here, and hold on myself not to exit the trade. And again, as per how thing it came a long way down, and again still I thought it's just a pullback, but this time it went all the way up and it ate all our profit here. So but still it's I don't know. I just can't close this trade. So if you see, I have made a mistake, here, right? I just enter the trade here against our plan. What was our plan? When it closes above this trade, I'm gonna take the trade. But that was a mistake I have done. That I have to control myself to stick to a plan, and I exited here, and I just re-entered, I guess, and just with this, this is uh, emotional trading here. I know it's just with a paper, but with this thing here, it gives us that real kind of feeling, that real kind of emotions here, and yeah. So it's not a good day for us, but there's something to learn in any session we got. So in this session, our main takeaway was is to stick to your plan, and don't take back to back revenge trades. So in this case, the revenge trade and the trade without against to a plan is negative points to note. And okay, let's meet up in the next session. Uh, yeah, see you. Thank you again for all the new ones and hopefully for the upcoming ones. Cheers.